Okay, so this question is going to be talking about word problems with fractions and division. So it's going to be a little bit longer of an explanation, but I promise you it's going to get to the point. So, reading the question, it says Tom has 18 pounds of dog food. He feeds his dog 2/3 pounds for each meal. How many meals will the food last? So, when you're doing this question, it is important to understand what goes first. So what is being divided is going to be on the top because you're dividing something. So you're going to have this little division symbol right here. So what is being divided is going to be first, or it's going to be on top. And then you're going to put that over how it is being divided. So what is being divided? The dog food, right? So 18 pounds of dog food, that goes here. And then how it is being divided is 2/3 for each meal. So I know that's like that. Now, some of you guys say, how am I supposed to do that question? I don't understand. Now, remember, you're dividing, right? So if I have 18 divided by 2/3, that's another way to write this, okay? So if you just want to say, well, I'm just going to write it out, what divided by how, you can just sort of skip that, but this is how I do it in my brain. So 18 divided by 2/3. Now remember, we're going to write 18 as a fraction, so just plop that over 1, because any number over 1 is essentially the same thing, just written as a fraction. So 18 over 1 divided by 2/3. But remember, when you do this, you need to keep, change, flip, because you're dividing fractions. So 18 over 1 stays the same. The division changes to multiplication, and the 2/3 flips to 3 over 2. Okay, and if this whole keep, change, flip thing confuses you, go back and watch the video on fraction division, and it's going to tell you how to do that. Anyway, so I'm going to go and I'm going to simplify before I multiply, just to make my life a little easier. So 18 and 2 can both be divided by 2, which will give me 1 and 9. So then I have 9 times 3, which is 27, over 1, which is the same as 27. So the answer is, that can give me 27 meals. All right, so I know that's sort of a little long and confusing, but these are all things you should already know. So if you need to, you want me to walk you through this a little bit slower, let me know and I will do that. Good luck, and let me know if you have any more questions.